Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the account identifier and that the app is up to date. This prevents delays. Once done, make sure you have backup codes or access to the 2FA method because you may need verification. Open the app, go straight to Settings, then Security or Account and tap Reset Password. You'll see an entry form. Enter your email or phone exactly as registered. Then request the reset code and watch for the SMS or email to arrive. You enter the code you received and verify it promptly because most codes expire in minutes. If it fails, request a resend and check spam or carrier delays. Once verified, create a strong new password. Aim for 12 or more characters with upper and lowercase, numbers, and symbols to resist guessing. Make sure it's unique versus other accounts and store it in a password manager. After you save the new password, sign in to confirm success and update any. You complete the process by signing out other sessions and updating your other devices to use the new password. This prevents sync errors. Re-enable two-factor authentication if it was paused and securely record backup codes so you won't be locked out again. If you still can't sign in, clear the app cache, restart the device, or reinstall the app and try the reset again. If problems persist, contact app support with your account details and timestamps of attempted resets for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.